Today I'm testing 4 experiments with balloons. More specifically,
how these balloons, even after coming in contact with needles and fire, are not popping, figuring out how this balloon is inflating, and how this one is magically moving water. Ready, set, go. All right, for this first experiment, we're gonna pour some white vinegar into a plastic bottle. Then, stretch a balloon over the end of a funnel. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the balloon using said funnel. Once done, stretch the balloon over the top of the bottle and lift it to empty the baking soda into the bottle. This starts, as you can see, an instant reaction that produces carbon dioxide, inflating the balloon. You may need to hold the balloon onto the bottle to keep it from flying away. For this next one, we're gonna inflate a balloon and tie it off. Then I'm simply gonna show you what happens when you take a safety pin and touch it to the balloon. With no surprise, it explodes. Now grab some Scotch tape, just a small piece is fine, and place it on the balloon. Perform the same action, pressing the safety pin into the balloon, and as you can see, it doesn't pop. I put in several more and there were no issues. You can even take them out and the balloon does not deflate. Experiment number 3. You'll need some thumbtacks for this experiment. Let's first start off by showing what happens when you place a balloon on one single thumbtack. It pops right away. Next, we'll take a handful of thumbtacks and lay them all out flat. Make sure you lay them close enough, otherwise this happens. After laying them closer, I tried again and pressed the balloon onto the thumbtacks. This time, as you can see, as I pressed the balloon down, it did not burst. This happens because pressure is distributed over many pins, making the pressure on each pin too small to pop the balloon. Careful not to push too hard though, as eventually it will go off. All right, 2 more experiments to come. This is your friendly reminder. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe. Number 4. For this, you'll need to inflate a balloon, grab a cloth or blanket, and rub the balloon in circles to build up a static charge. Next, head to the sink and turn on a gentle stream of water. Hold the charged balloon close to the water, but don't let them touch. As you move the balloon near the stream, watch the magic happen. The negatively charged balloon will attract the positively charged water molecules, causing the stream to bend. And for the final experiment, we're going to light a candle and then take a normal inflated balloon. Hold it over the candle and we'll see what happens. As again, I'm sure you're not surprised, it pops immediately and it blows out the candle as well. Now we'll take another balloon and let's fill it with water this time. Tie a knot, bring it back to the candle, and let's try again. This time the balloon does not pop and you can even hold it down on top of the flame. The water inside keeps the balloon cool so the flame doesn't affect it, though the balloon will get blackened. All in all, pretty cool experiment. Well, there you go. 4 fun balloon-themed experiments. I've tested them. They have been tested. Fun for kids, supervised of course. Also, fun for adults. I had fun. If you liked this, let me know. If you didn't, also, would love to know. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Later.